Welcome foodies! In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make keto banana pudding. To start, we will first make the pudding. In a medium-sized pot, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a teaspoon of banana extract, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk together and warm it up over low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. Once it is done warming up, take it off the heat and allow it to cool. Meanwhile, combine 3 egg yolks and 3 tablespoons of any kind of granulated sugar substitute. Whip this up using an electric mixer until the mixture is pale yellow. If you would like to see what ingredients I use and where I get them, click on the iCard at the top right-hand corner of the screen or click the link in the description box below. Now add your cream to the egg yolk mixture in small batches. This is the most important step in creating your pudding. The cream must be hot enough to temper the egg yolks correctly so that the pudding doesn't get lumpy later on. To make sure that the cream is hot enough, you should be able to stick your finger in for a few seconds without it getting uncomfortably hot. But it shouldn't be cool enough where that you can have your fingers stay in longer than that. Once you have mixed all the cream into the egg yolk mixture, return it back to the pot and cook over low heat, stirring continually until the consistency is like this, thick enough to coat the back of a spoon without dripping. This process took me about 20 minutes of stirring continually to get it to this consistency. Now pour the pudding into a bowl through a strainer in order to make sure it's as smooth as possible. Then, take a large bowl filled with a couple ice cubes and a little water and place the bowl with the pudding inside. Stir the pudding for about 5 minutes in order to cool it. After that, place a piece of plastic wrap on the top of the pudding to ensure that it doesn't develop a film, and then another piece on top of the entire bowl. I actually made 2 batches of this pudding recipe for the final product, and I find that making the pudding in smaller batches makes it easier to control and work with. Let this chill in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. While the pudding is chilling, we can make our whipped cream by combining 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of a powdered sugar substitute. And then whipping this together until it becomes thick and fluffy. Finally, time to assemble. First, I'm going to put a thin layer of pudding on the bottom of my dish. Now I'm going to put a layer of these vanilla wafers from Key. I will link in the description box below where I got these. And then I'm going to put another layer of vanilla pudding, and then a layer of whipped cream, and then more cookies. And I will continue this process of layering it until I get to the top of my dish. Now that all the layering is done, the final step is to crumble a few of the wafers on top for a little decoration. And there you have it, keto banana pudding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!